Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. Start with opening settings. Now scroll down, choose additional settings, scroll down again and click on one-handed mode. Click on the switcher to activate it and pick one of those options to select the size of your shrink screen. When you're ready, you need to follow those instructions. If you wish to use one-handed mode with your right hand, you need to swipe from home button to the right. And now, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. You can always go back by clicking on the blank area. If you wish to use it with your left hand, do exactly the same to the left. Go back the same way. If you wish to turn off one-handed mode completely, tap on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!